Multiple reactions coming in. Asked about Kolkata horror, Rahul Gandhi has refused to answer. Let's take a look at the sequence. Rahul says, I've already spoken on the issue.
कोलकाता भैया, यहाँ पे मैं इस इंसिडेंट में आया हूँ। मैंने कलकत्ता के इंसिडेंट पे अपनी टिप्पणी करी है, अपने व्यू रखे हैं। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ इनका मामला उठाने आया हूँ।
जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा है कि अपना प्रोटेस्ट एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आपका क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपना स्ट्राइक एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आप
देखिए भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ सर। आप मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
Sabyasachi is joining us with more details. Sabyasachi, BJP questioning Rahul Gandhi's silence, and when post questions on Kolkata horror, Rahul Gandhi says that accusing the media of trying to distract people, of trying to take attention away from the issue that he is addressing. So clearly he is not answering questions on Kolkata. Is he avoiding questions on Kolkata?
Well, see, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, when asked about the Kolkata horror, refuses to answer to the question that has been put across by the media. Now, Rahul Gandhi says that it is a distraction. It is a distraction being made, and now Rahul Gandhi, he says that by asking question on Kolkata issue, the media over there wants to distract it. Now, clearly, on one hand, we are seeing that whenever there is anything happening in the BJP-ruled state, the India Alliance bloc calls it dictatorship and whatnot. But when what happened in Kolkata, the atrocity that the victim had to face through, and clearly at this particular point, nobody from the opposition has come out and questioned the Mamata Banerjee government or have questioned the Kolkata police. Now, Rahul Gandhi had put out a post several days after which there was a clash between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. So clearly at this particular point, Mr. Rahul Gandhi avoiding question on Kolkata horror.
So Rahul Gandhi, they're not taking questions on Kolkata horror, in fact, accusing the media of trying to distract. He says, I'm here to talk about a particular incident. I've already spoken about the Kolkata issue. Listen in.
कोलकाता भैया, यहाँ पे मैं इस इंसिडेंट में आया हूँ। मैंने कलकत्ता के इंसिडेंट पे अपनी टिप्पणी करी है, अपने व्यू रखे हैं। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ इनका मामला उठाने आया हूँ।
जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा है कि अपना प्रोटेस्ट एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आपका क्या व्यू है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डॉक्टर से कहा अपना स्ट्राइक एंड करना है। एज एलओपी आप
देखिए भैया, मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ सर। आप मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो।
So BJP, remember, questioned Rahul Gandhi's silence when Rahul Gandhi was asked a question on Kolkata rape and murder horror, an issue that has outraged the entire country. There are protests taking place. The doctor fraternity, medical fraternity also protesting, outraging, demanding justice. The Supreme Court also taking suo motu cognizance, hitting out at the state government pulling up the Kolkata cops, posing several tough questions. Rahul Gandhi says, have already spoken on this. Let's listen to how the BJP is responding to this latest reaction by Rahul Gandhi.
Today it is showing beyond imagination that when asked about the RG Medical College case, which is a clear-cut case of institutional cover-up, where the Mamata Banerjee government has been slammed by no less than the Supreme Court for standing not with the Beti but with the Aparadhi and the Balatkari, and the entire nation is demanding justice. Rahul Gandhi says, don't ask me about this, it's a distraction. I have done my duty of tweeting. I have done my one statement. Quota ho gaya. Don't ask me. This kind of attitude towards the issue that has shaken the conscience of this country. Somebody says we'll break the fingers. Somebody is saying that if you raise this issue, we will send you notices, we will arrest you. Kolkata police is behaving in the most dictatorial fashion. Supreme Court has come down hard on this. High Court has come down hard on this. The parents have said that we are not getting the justice from Mamata Banerjee. But Mr. Rahul Gandhi says it's a distraction. When the Supreme Court has said that how the body was not given, the FIR was not done on time, how the principle was being promoted, how it was called a suicide, is the Supreme Court indulging in distraction? How dare Rahul Gandhi call this a distraction? And the same Rahul Gandhi, when it comes to UP, when it comes to MP, goes. But to Bengal, where there is Samvidhan Bachao is required, where Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu is required, there they will not go. This is not distraction. This is Rahul Gandhi's it's actually an obstruction for Rahul Gandhi to play his politics, because he cannot speak a word about Trinamool Congress, who is the alliance partner in India Alliance. And therefore for him, an incident like this, where the rapists are being saved by Mamata Banerjee government, and where a 31-year-old doctor has been brutalized, justice is not taking place, is an issue of distraction. This is an insult of not just all the women who are protesting, it is not just an insult of the women of Bengal, but it is an insult of the family of the victim and the victim herself. Rahul Gandhi must apologize for demeaning the entire incident of RG Kar Hospital by calling it a distraction. Thank you.
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.